There's a record-breaking heatwave in the UK this week, which means you're going to be hearing a lot of people saying, but the climate has always changed, this is nothing new. And I'm here to explain to you why you shouldn't be listening to these people. Hi, I'm Sasha, I'm an archaeological scientist, and paleoclimate is one of the things we study. So we're going to be focusing on one key geologic time period known as the Quaternary, which is subdivided into the Pleistocene, which began about 2.5 million years ago and ended around 12,000 years ago, and the Holocene, which began when the Pleistocene ended and is still ongoing. This is a graph of temperature throughout the Pleistocene and the Holocene. As you can see, the temperature during the Pleistocene was far more variable than that in the Holocene. 12,000 years ago, when the Holocene started, it stabilised. And something very interesting happened at that 12,000 year point. Humans began farming. A lot of people started switching over from a hunting and gathering subsistence strategy to agriculture, and built the world as we know it today. And this was in large part enabled by this stable climate that we've been experiencing for the last 12,000 years. The problem we're facing now is since the Industrial Revolution, we have been pumping vast quantities of greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. And what greenhouse gases do is trap heat. So what we are witnessing is a very rapid rise in global temperatures, which threatens to destabilise this nice, safe climatic period we have been living in. And because we have built our civilization around that stability, any sudden changes to it are going to be very difficult to deal with. So I hope that helps explain why scientists are so concerned about the global climate right now. And follow along if you are interested in finding out more about how we use science to learn about the past. Right, I'm going to go stick my head under a very cold shower.